After creating a more dramatic look, I've decided to cleanse off my makeup and then create another look that is a little bit more simple and a little bit more me for daytime. So I'm just going in with the Garnier Micellar water and just really wiping off all the makeup and just giving my skin a good clean. I'm leaving the mascara and eyeliner. I'm not going to rub that off because I do find I will likely use that with my next more natural look. This is the Alivio foaming gel and it's a gorgeous cleanser. It has a bit of an oaty smell. I really do like it. I'm avoiding sticking it in my eyes as last time I did put it in, so that's not advisable. So using a makeup remover pad, I'm just removing all that makeup just to get a really nice clean base in order to start again. This is the Alivio Daycream and I'm massaging this into my face. This is a really thick consistency in this cream, but as I'm massaging it in, I can really feel my skin just drinking it in, like really absorbing every little bit of it. I just feel it's so hydrating. It feels calming. It could be because it has cold pressed hemp seed oil. It's just beautiful. So it's really, really fresh. So in order to create a very light makeup with a bit of glow, I'm going in with the Holme Beauty Primer. This is the lighter shade of the two primers that I have, and I'm just using this all over my face. So this product you can use just as a primer, or you can use it instead of any foundation at all. And as you can see, instantly it just evens out the skin tone ever so slightly, creating a really nice natural base. So for the rest of the day today, I'm actually not doing too much. I haven't got any clients coming in, but I still wanted to have a little bit of something on my face for the day. In this palette, this is the Poni Cosmetics palette, and it is for blue eyes. I'm going in with the lightest shade, but before I use that shade, I'm actually prepping my eyes with a little bit of the M.A.C Painterly eye primer. And then I've skipped doing my décolletage, so I thought I'd go down and use that beautiful primer along my décolletage as well. Now, here we are, back to the lightest shade in that Poni Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. And it's just a really light sort of tan, it's got almost of a peachy tinge to it, which is correct because a peachy shade really helps to bring out blue eyes. So I'm literally doing this eye makeup just with one color. And all I'm doing is going back and forth and just building up that shade. So every time I pick up a little bit of the eyeshadow, I will actually place it right into that outer corner and up into the brow bone, and then I buff it all over the mobile lid. But I'd like the concentrated color to be right in that outer corner. So it's just the same shade, but it's a little more concentrated in that outer corner. And that is all I'm doing with the eyeshadow. Now I'm just combing my brows again, a really nice natural look. I'm going to go in with my mineral mascara just to add to the mascara that I already have on my lashes. Now, just to get rid of any of that excess shine, I'm using the medium loose mineral powder and just a very fine detail brush just to pick up that shine and really mattify my face a little bit more. This is called Peachy and it's a gorgeous cheek and lip, sorry. Just watching what I'm doing there, and it just adds that hint of color. Again, peachy colors helping to pick up the blue eyes. So a nice natural day look.